In this video, I will be showing you how to create a travel planner in Notion. So let's get started. First, you just have to create or sign up an account here for Notion. So go to any web browser and then type notion.so. And you can sign up using your email address, Google account, strong password. And after that, you just have to confirm and this is what it looks like. So to create a travel planner, first, what you're going to do here is to scroll down and kindly locate these templates. So inside templates, you can see here different types of templates. But what you're going to do is you have to simply go to this arrow facing down that is beside work. As you can see here, there are tons of templates or work related to work, like engineering, about recurring, and so on. So what we're going to do here is to simply click this arrow facing down and then look for personal. Under personal, you can see here different templates. And what you're going to do is to scroll down and look for travel planner. So this is what it looks like. Now, if you tap this, then you will see the preview of this template. As you can see, it's already given here to-do list, okay, itinerary. You can even add pictures and photos. You can replace this later. So once you're okay with this, what you're going to do next is to click this Get Template at the bottom right corner. Once you tap this Get Template, it will take you directly to your travel planner interface template. Okay, so the first thing you can see here is the background photo. You can change this. This is the good thing about Notion. You can change this one by tapping this change photo, import or add the picture that you have on your gallery or on your device. Just click this upload here, upload file, look for the picture, and you can, change the position of this picture if you want. For your profile or your image here, you can change this, but I just made it that way. Now you can add beside travel planner to be very specific. If you have tons of plans or trips this year, then you can specify a trip to Bali, Indonesia. So as you can see, we have here to-do list. Now this one is good, especially if you have assigned this task to specific people. For example, if you want to assign someone to book a flight for you, to get a hotel accommodation for you, if you want to assign someone to create itinerary, book activities, and so on. So you can simply assign this. You just have to enter or add their email address. If you don't have their email address yet, you can click this invite people and add their email address. Okay, so assign each of this task to these specific people. And you can also set a due date so that they will be notified when they're going to submit this or when they're going to finish this. You can add more, more tasks and features if you want, like tags and so on. Example, this one is finished. This one is on process, something like that. Okay, and we don't need this one for the meantime. This is just if you want to assign it to other people. We're going to focus on how to create itinerary for this tutorial. So as you can see, this is an example and you can delete this if you want. So for the meantime, this is not the place, so I have to delete it one by one. All you have to do is to clear each of this section right here. So we have it already cleared. So what I'm going to do is to fill in some information like activity, what I'm going to do there once I arrive in Bali, Indonesia, the date, the location, which is the Google map to be specific. And I also want to add here phone number for those people I want to contact, for example, a tourist guide. Okay, so we have your activity, date, we have your location, notes, and phone number. If you want to change the appearance of your template, you can click this full width in order for you to see the whole page. So I have here day one. I need to arrive in this place. And yes, it's true, this is the places and wonderful spots in Bali, Indonesia. So let's just say the date, April 25th, and then location, the Google map, the notes, and then the contact number. So this is just an example. You can edit this. Actually, you can add more if you want. You can change the color, the background. You can duplicate this one. And then to review, you can tap the link in order for you to know if it's really the exact location. Okay, so this is an example on how to create itinerary. Now we're going to create or add like my documents needed for my trip. So if you think this part is not necessary, you can delete this by tapping this 9 dots. Go to delete. It will delete everything here. Same as this one. What we're going to do here is to add a table view. Okay, so type slash and look for a table. Okay, tap this one right here. And then you can simply add more by tapping this plus icon here. Okay, and then you can change the position, you expand this one, or everything is up to you. So this is what it looks like. And then what we're going to do here is to just simply fill in the documents that are needed. So I have here my passport, visa, flight itinerary, accommodation, confirmation, travel insurance, health documents, and to be very specific, you can add background color so that it would be easier for you to locate the following. All you have to do is to click these dots at the top, go to color, and pick the right color background for you. Okay, so that it would be easier for me to look for my passport, visa, information about my flight itinerary, and so on. So we're done with itinerary, like the places to see, and then we have your documents. Now, what I'm going to add here is like a checklist. Okay, the things I need to prepare or the things I need for this trip to Bali, Indonesia. So these are the things. And I have here before departure, I should prepare the following. So the good thing is that if you have your phone with you, if you have your Notion on your device, then if you're done with the following, all you have to do is to tap or check this or tick these boxes right here. So as you can see, I have added a background color so that it would be easier for me to identify the checklist. And then I can add more by tapping slash. I can add image, I can add video, I can add file. Everything is, of course, everything is up to you. Okay, so for the meantime, let me add something here like an image of the valley as a motivation for me. And then here, once I'm done preparing the following, then all I have to do is to simply tap these boxes right here. Done, 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 and so on. Same thing with the packing essentials. I just have to click this done, done right here. So that's it. All I have to do is to check the things that you have prepared already or you're done with. So we're done with the checklist, done with the itinerary, things to see, the documents, checklist. Now, the good thing about this Notion is you can add more here. For example, if you want to add a file, okay, so all you have to do is to type slash and then click file. Now, upload a file or embed link here. Everything is up to you. Add another again, slash, and then, for example, you want to add gallery view, okay? You just want to, put this back, okay? Those people that you have assigned the task, but actually this one is optional. Okay, so I really hope that this video helped you. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.